Multicam editing is a really quick and efficient way of cutting down your videos if you've got multiple takes of the same thing. So for example, if you have filmed an interview, if you've filmed a show, if you've filmed a music video, using the Multicam editor is a really quick and easy way to cut through all of your individual clips and get to a final result much quicker. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So, as you can see on my timeline, I have got 4 clips. Now, these are from a music video. These are different performance shots. And rather than stacking them all on top of each other and picking my favorite bits, I can do an initial first edit by using the Multicam editor. So, to do that, I'm just going to stack every individual clip onto a different layer. So, this is the first clip. So, video 1, audio 1. There we go. They're stacked on top of each other like this. Now, video 2 and audio 2 can go onto a separate channel. This third clip, this can go 3 and 3. And this clip here can go 4 and 4. Now from here, we're just going to use the auto synchronization feature to highlight all of these and sync them together. So highlight everything, right click, synchronize. We're going to go audio track channel. So the auto synchronization feature is essentially going to listen to the audio on every single track and find points that are in sync and just basically marry those up with each other. If it does fail though, then you can just manually sync these in by listening to certain sync points, but the auto sync feature is definitely a game changer. But once that has done that, you can highlight all your clips. We're going to right click and we're going to go nest. So we'll select nest and we'll put this into its own nested sequence. So we'll go music, video, nest. Press OK, and this is now in its own nested sequence. Now from here, we can right click, go multi-camera and enable. Now we'll go into this setting here and we're going to change the view from a composite video into multi-camera. And as you can see, we've now got 4 different video clips playing on our timeline. So if we play this back, you can see these are 4 different clips that are now playing in real time. And of course, we can now go through it and we can edit this video. As you can see, they're playing 4 clips at the same time, maybe a little bit difficult on the computer. So first of all, we can drop the quality down. So in my example, I'm going to drop it down to a 16th. So paused and playback, both down to 1/16. And you can see we've now got playback. So in order to make the cuts, we can just go through and we can select different clips. So let's play back. So we're playing back. Let's say we want to cut to this. It will now go red because this is the live camera. Now we're going to cut back to this and to this and now to this and back to this. And we can essentially scrub through. And when we stop, you can see we've got all of these different cuts. So these are our angles. The box is the live camera, and then this is just a composited version of what we have. So this is the edited video. Now, if you're not happy with something, so maybe here you press the wrong cut, you can just change the angle like this. It's really quick and simple. There you go. So now you would just go through, you would make your cuts, just listen through, watch through, make all of those cuts. Again, if you're not happy with a cut, just pause, go back. Maybe the timing was off, so you can just shift the clip back like this and carry on. But once you are happy with that, you can just highlight everything, right click, multi-camera, and you can select flatten. But before you flatten this, this is essentially just taking everything and putting it all onto one individual layer. I'd recommend going into the nest. So our nest was this one, this music video nest. And on here, I'm going to go ahead and label each individual video layer. So on the bottom, video layer 1, right click, label, let's go Caribbean. Video layer 2, right click, label, let's go for lavender. Video layer 3, right click, label cerulean, right click on 4, label, and we'll go rose. So you can see we've essentially got green, purple, blue, and red. Now when we go back to the multi-cam project, highlight everything, right click, multi-camera, flatten. Now you can see each individual channel, each individual video layer is its own color coordinated clip. So now we can put everything back where it belongs. So right click on this first one, go label, select label group, and drag up to 4. There This one, right click, select label group, go up to 3. This one, label, select label group up to 2. And now, as you can see, we've put everything back onto an individual video layer. So now we can scrub through the sequence and we can come out of our multicam view and go back to composite video. And you can see we've now got an edited video happening on screen. And all we had to do was just go through this multicam feature to do this. So that is multicam editing inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. If you're editing interviews, long dialogues, speeches, music videos, performances, shows, this is a really handy feature because it's going to save you loads of time. If you are struggling for playback though, just drop the quality down or maybe even run proxies, which I haven't talked about yet, but proxies are essentially just a low quality version of the footage. It's just going to help to speed up the computer, but multicam editing, it's a dream and I would recommend you use it.